lovely people, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am at the balcony area. I have cleared out everything, and oh, the camera is going in and out of focus, pardon me. I'm trying out a new camera. It's actually a new phone and I'm trying it out, so I don't even know where everything is. So yeah, I'm going to have a little garden makeover kind of thing for the balcony, and I'm going to bring you along with me. I have already started a few things. I've already planned. I'm going to insert videos of what we were doing anyway. Belle helped me stick some egg sheets on the wall. We put some leaves, these short leaves up the wall so we can give it all the garden feel. And I put a swing hook up. We planted some seeds which have already come out of the thing. Let me go and show you. Come on, let's go. I thought I would make this place into a little garden. I didn't want to put any tables or anything that she could climb. This shelf thing looks like it will work. She can't stand on it because of this place. So yeah, I'm gonna set up this place into a little garden for her, and yeah, we can come out here and have some fun. Feels like I've been hypnotized. I'm terrified of losing you. Guys, it's a couple of days since I started cleaning up this place. As you can see, I've put the green grass. It's not grass, it's like a carpet that I can move up. I put that down. I left the other mat, the first carpet, on there, and look at plants are already coming out. This is radish, and I think this is onion or something, and that's carrot. They're already coming up. My swing is finally here. I don't know if you can see this, but my ceiling is actually metal, so I thought to get something that could weld metal or could hold metal in place, and I found this. It's called JB Weld. I looked around and found this. So apparently this could weld this hook in place. So I'm going to mix it up and apply it and leave it to dry up, and then we'll hang the swing on there in this corner. This will be the best place to hang it, because yeah, where else could we do it? I'm going to hang it here and change the position of this, and I'll show you how it looks in the end. So this is how they say you should apply it. This is my first time ever going to use it, so that's Belle in the background, by the way. She's just trying to distract me.
I like it, Mama.
Okay, can you give me a second? Let me finish this. This is very dangerous, so you have to go back, okay? So we got these egg sheets from Wilco.
Yeah, Wilco.
Where do you want to put it, Mama?
I want to put it here.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. Well done.
And now do another one. Let's fix up more. I'm sorry. Who's this infant?
So put the glue here
Okay.
at the back,
Why, Mom?
because the sparkly bit is here.
Put more on it. I'm not doing more. What's not doing? Let me go on this. Yeah, it's good. I did it, Mama. Look, I can really do it.
That's lovely. So yeah, we have these things up. And so far she's drawing on it already. Okay, so let me go and finish up with these leaves on this wall, and we'll get back to you. Baby, now I'm here and So guys, this is our little balcony garden done. We did a makeover to have a little garden to go into. As you can see, Belle is enjoying her paddling pool. She's on top of the world, literally. Let me show you what we did here. So Belle, as you saw in the video, Belle helped me do this egg sheet sticker thing, and these we got from Amazon for $12.99, I think. I've left a link on my Amazon shop front for you to have a look. This little bunny we got from Lidl, and it was for $3.99. I'm not sure if they still have it. And we have this planter thing here, and it has radish, carrots, onions, basil, and they're all growing so nicely. You've seen I showed you this citrus plant already. That was also from Lidl for $17.99. We got these shelves. Let me go back so you can see. We are missing one thing though. We are missing the swing. I'm still waiting for the chains to come so we can connect it to the hook, but it's still not here, so I'm just going to leave it. When it comes, I'll show you in another video. And these pillows, this pillow and blanket was meant to have gone into the swing. So when it comes, I'll put it up and I'll show you how it looks like in whatever video I'm shooting at the time. And this shelf stand we got from Lidl also. And for every garden there should be a hanger, right, to hang clothes. So yeah, we got this I think a friend of mine bought it for me a long time ago. I think he got it from Lidl, I'm sure. I think this was about 3 years ago, and I still have it. So yeah, that's it there. I hope you like our new garden. We're on the first floor. We're not too high up, but it's not a big garden. I think in the previous makeover, the winter hangout, I brought some tiny things. I still don't want to bring any furniture that Belle can climb, so I have this little ottoman that we have towels and Belle's garden toys in. Let me show you. Yeah, there. And when she's here, I sit on this. I was hoping that I will have the swing up so that I can. Let me show you the swing. That's it over there. Can you see? I cannot wait to put it up. And that little house we got on Christmas, I thought it would look so nice. Maybe I'll get some gnomes to go there as well. There's still enough space for both of us to enjoy. Yeah, so that's it guys. I'm going to end the video here. If you have any questions about any other things that I didn't mention, please leave me a comment, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. I would love it if you subscribe if you're new here, and I hope you're motivated to do your own makeovers. And yeah, we will see you in the next video. Bye, see you later.